Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. Today's video is going to be very interesting. In this video, we are going to learn about the determination of new profit sharing ratio after the admission of a new partner. In previous video, we have already discussed one case. From second case, we are going to discuss in this video. Let us see here. Your second case is when share of new partner is given and also new profit sharing ratio of old partner is given. Just for example, A and B are partners. They admit C for 1 by 4th share. In future profit sharing ratio between A and B would be 2 ratio 1. It means their new profit sharing ratio of old partner is given here 2 ratio 1. Then we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Here we have to assume the total share of the firm. Let total share of the firm is 1. C is admitted for 1 by 4th share. So the remaining share would be how much? Remaining share would be here 1 minus 1 by 4th. 3 by 4th would be the remaining share. Now this 3 by 4th share will be distributed in this particular ratio. This will be the new profit sharing ratio of the old partner. New profit sharing ratio of A 2 by 3, because their future profit sharing ratio is 2 ratio 1. 2 ratio 1 in the sense 2 by 3. 3 by, they will take the remaining share of 2 by 3. 2 by 3 of 3 by 4. 6 upon 12. And B, they will take 1 by 3 of the remaining share. 3 by 4. 3 by 12. And C share is here 1 by 4. We have to equal the denominator. Multiply 3. 3 upon 12. 6 ratio 3 ratio 3 would be the new profit sharing ratio. We can minimize this also. 2 ratio 1 ratio 1. This is the new profit sharing ratio. It means in this case, the new partner's share is given and the new profit sharing ratio of the old partner is also given, which was 2 ratio 1. Now come to the third case. The third case is when the new partners get his share from the old partner equally in the sense equal ratio means if there are two partners means 1 ratio 1, if there are three partners means 1 ratio 1 ratio 1, like this. Here is an example also. With the help of this example we will understand. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5 ratio 4. This is their old profit sharing ratio. They admit C for 1 by 10th share, which he acquires equally from both A and B. It means this 1 by 10th share C will acquire in equal ratio from A and B. You have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. See here, A and B old share is how much? 5 by 4. C admit for how much? 1 by 10th share. C acquire equally from A and B. Equally in the sense 1 ratio 1. Here are two partners. Then 1 ratio 1. Now we have to check that how much share A will sacrifice and how much share B will sacrifice behalf of C. We will write here A surrendered how much share? 1 by 10th of 1 by 2. 1 by 20 A will surrender and B will surrender how much? 1 by 10th of 1 by 2, because equally in the sense 1 ratio 1. 1 by 20. This share will be surrendered by A and B. Then what would be the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners? We have to calculate new profit sharing ratio of A. A share is how much? 5 upon 9 minus 1 by 20. Here the LCM will be 180, 100 minus 9. It means 91 upon 180. B share will be how much? 4 by 9 minus 1 by 20. 180, 80 minus 9, it means 71 upon 180. Here C share is 1 by 10. Then we have to equal the denominator. For equal the denominator, we have to multiply 18. 18 upon 180. So your new profit sharing ratio would be here 91 ratio 71 ratio 18. This is your new profit sharing ratio. Now the another case is little bit extension form of the previous case. Here what would be happen? When new partner gets his share from old partners in a particular ratio. In previous case, they were getting their share in equal ratio. Here in question, it will be mentioned any particular ratio. Just for example, suppose A and B are partners having their profit sharing ratio 2 ratio 1 like this. And C will acquire their share from A and B in 3 ratio 2. Here a specific ratio is mentioned. In previous case, a specific ratio was not mentioned. It was only equal ratio. Here a specific ratio is mentioned. We will do as it is the previous case. First of all, we have to acquire that how much A will surrender and how much B will surrender. A surrender is equal to 1 by 4th is the C share, and A will surrender how much? 1 by 4th of 3 by 5. So 1 by 4th of 3 by 5. 3 by 20 A will surrender, and B will surrender how much? 1 by 4th of 2 by 5. 2 by 20 B will surrender. Then what would be the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C? 2 by 3 is their old share minus the surrender value 3 by 20. LCM would be here 60, 40 minus 9, 31 upon 60. Then B 1 by 3 minus 2 by 20. LCM would be here 60, 20 minus 6, it means 14 upon 60. And C's share is how much? 1 by 4. We have to equal the denominator, multiply by 15, 15 upon 60. Your new share would be here 31 ratio 14 ratio 15 like this. This is the new profit sharing ratio. In next video we will learn more cases.